How to use Google Translate in WhatsApp. If you want to use Google Translate in WhatsApp, first of all, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now search Google Translate and install this app. Once it has been installed, launch it open. Then tap on the profile icon and head over to settings. Here, select Tap to Translate. Make sure that you toggle on the option. Also toggle on Show Floating Icon option. For that, you might have to head over to your settings, then toggle on the option Appear on Top. Once all of that is done, you will find a chat bubble over here. Now head over to WhatsApp. Here, simply find the message that you want to translate. You can easily copy that and open this floating icon. As you can see, the message has been successfully translated over here. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.